Topic: Rooms of the house. Tema: Cuartos de la casa. Home. House. Home. House. Home. House. Kitchen. 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 Living room. Living room. Living room. Bedroom. 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 Where is it? ¿Dónde está?
Stove, stove, stove. Where is the stove? ¿Dónde está la estufa? The stove is in the kitchen. La estufa está en la cocina. Sofa, sofa, sofa. Where is the sofa? ¿Dónde está el sofá? The sofa is in the living room. Bed, bed, bed. Where is the bed? ¿Dónde está la cama? The bed is in the bedroom. La cama está en la recámara. Toilet, toilet, toilet. Where is the toilet? ¿Dónde está el inodoro? The toilet is in the bathroom. El inodoro está en el baño. Let's review. Home, house, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, stove, sofa, bed, and toilet.
Good job, darlings. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.